Polyamory is a part of the world that is becoming more and more accepted by society. They have been around for centuries, but they have never been accepted or talked about in the mainstream media. Polyamorous people are those who have an open marriage or relationship. Polyamorous relationships are not for everyone, but it's important to respect the people who choose this lifestyle. People are looking for new ways to express their sexuality and learn about themselves. They want to live an incredible life with their partners and explore the world with them. It is important that we understand the different types of polyamory before diving headfirst into it. This will help us to be better prepared for what we are getting ourselves into and to know what we want out of it. The different types of polyamory are as follows. 1. Open love. This type of polyamory is all about being open to new relationships, but not all open love relationships are sexual. They might be romantic or platonic, but they are open to new connections in the future. This is the most common type, where two people are in a committed relationship with one another but are both allowed to date other people. 2. Polyfidelity. Polyfidelity is a term that was coined in the 1960s. It means that you can have more than one partner, but those partners have to be committed. This is different from open love, where you don't need to be committed to everyone. Polyfidelity comes with its own set of rules and guidelines that need to be followed by all parties involved. There are many benefits of this type of non-monogamy, including the ability for all members in the relationship to express themselves fully without any judgment or fear of being judged. 3. Relationship anarchy. Relationship anarchists believe in having no rules at all when it comes to their relationships. Everything is up for grabs, and there's no commitment at all. People who practice this lifestyle need a lot of communication skills in order to keep everyone happy and comfortable with each other. Relationship anarchists believe in learning from each other's experiences, so they often try new things together, like exploring sexuality or trying new types of relationships such as open love or polyamory. Which polyamory type best describes you? If you are not polyamorous, then please comment why.